Good morning students, welcome for the history video. Unit 2, the post-Mauryan India. The disunity of Mauryan Empire gave way for Sakas, Scythians, Parthians, Indo-Greeks or Bactrian Greeks, Kushanas in the northwest of India. After the death of Ashoka, Satavahanas occupied South India. Before Gupta dynasty, Sangas and Kavanas were in the north. Chandis or Kalinga were seen independent in this state. Magadha was the center for the Buddhist culture. Sources: archaeological sources, inscriptions, Ayodhya, Persepolis, Naski Rastam, Junagadh, Girnar, Nasik Eulogy, and there is first copper plates, Taxila copper plate in Moga. Coins, Satavahanas, Kathvisis and Roman. Literary sources: Puranas, Gargi Samhita, Harsa Charita of Banabhata, Mahavasya of Patanjali, Brihad Katha of Gunadhya, Madhyamika Sutra of Nagarjuna, Buddha Charita of Aswaghosha, Mallavika Gnimitra of Kalidasa. Foreign notice: accounts of Huanzhen, the Chinese Buddhist monk and traveler. The Sangas and Kavanas in the north. The Sangas. Brihadatta was the last Mauryan emperor. He was killed by his general Pushyamitra Sangha, and Sangha dynasty was established in Magadha. Pushyamitra made his capital Pataliputra or Patna. He extended his kingdom to Ujjain and Vidisha. He was attacked by Kharavela of Kalinga. He followed Vedic religion. He performed Aswamedha Yagnas. Pushyamitra's son was Agnimitra. He was the hero of Mallavika Gnimitra of Kalidasa. Agnimitra's son was Vasumitra. A drama of Vasumitra refers to victory over Greeks on the bank of Sindhu river. Sangha ruled for 100 years. Devahuti was the last Sangha king. He was killed by Vasudeva, and he established Kavana dynasty in Magadha. Importance of the Sangha period: the Sangas stopped the Bactrian Greeks from occupying the Gangetic Valley. Pushyamitra and his successors promoted Vaishnavism. Sanskrit was the court language. Pushyamitra persecuted Buddhists. He renovated or reconstructed monuments at Barhut and Sanchi. He extended the great stupa of Sanchi. The Kavanas. The Kavana rulers were four: Vasudeva, Bhumimitra, Narayana and Sasurman. They ruled for 40 years. The last Kavana ruler was Sasurman. He was killed by feudatory Sikuma from Andhra. Sikuma founded Satavahana dynasty. He ruled for 23 years. His brother was Krishna and his nephew was Satakarani. His nephew Satakarani ruled for 10 years. He extended his territory from Andhra to Rajasthan, Gujarat, Kalinga. He performed 2 horse sacrifices, Aswamedha Yagya. Gautamiputra Satakarani was the greatest ruler. His mother was Gautami Balasri. She published Nasik Eulogy, in which she described about his son as the destroyer of Saka, Yavanas or Greek and Pallavas or Pratyanas. They had Bogor inscriptions. The Kushanas in the north and the Satavahanas in the south flourished for about 300 years to 550 years. Contributions of Satavahanas. Literature. The Satavahana king Halla himself was a great scholar of Sanskrit. He wrote 700 stanzas in Prakrit called Saptasai or Saptasati. Art and literature. The Satavahana rulers were the great builders. They built stupas in Amaravati. Its style is similar to Vietnam archaeological site called OCEO. The Satavahanas kings also introduced bronze coins which had ship with two masts. They also discovered stone seal in Thailand called Nathon Pathom. They were known for the monuments and art in Gandhara, Madhura, Amarbati, Bodhgaya, Sanchi and Bharuch. The Madhura school of sculpture was known for its statues and images on Buddhist, Brahmanical and Jain deities. The Madhura school of sculpture produced images and statues of the Buddhist, Brahmin and Jain deities. To sum up, today we have learnt about sources, the Sanghas in North India and Kavanas in South India. Satavahana's contribution to art and architecture. Thank you students for watching and listening to my video.